Good morning, Behind the Signs community. Oh my gosh, it's so hot out here. Out for a run. I am crazy. But hey, anyway, yesterday I conducted a podcast with a group out of Missouri. And, we were talking about their business and they do a lot of cool stuff. And we'll be posting that here in a couple weeks. But one thing they said that I thought really stood out to me, and it was so good, says, what do you contribute to your success? Because they're a very successful shop. And they said, the most important thing to us is to take care of our customers, meet their needs, and think about how it impacts our community, because we really want our community to look better and be better. And I thought, man alive, that is so good. And I know every business deserves to make a profit, and every person working at your shop deserves to make a living. But at the end of the day, what's the mission? And if the mission is to help others, everyone wins. All right, everyone. Go make great signs.